Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Begin by gathering precise ingredients. 100 grams cocoa butter, 60 grams cocoa powder, 50 grams powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon sunflower lecithin, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Use a double boiler setup with a saucepan and heatproof bowl to avoid direct heat. Have a candy thermometer, spatula, and silicone molds ready so you can move quickly. Measure accurately with a kitchen scale and use powdered sugar for quick dissolution. Chilling racks and parchment paper help when unmolding and trimming excess later. Melt cocoa butter gently in a double boiler until it reaches 45-50 degrees C on a candy thermometer. Avoid overheating above 55 degrees C. Remove from heat and whisk in 60 grams cocoa powder and 50 grams powdered sugar until fully dissolved and no graininess remains. Add 1 teaspoon sunflower lecithin and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, then emulsify vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes to create a stable, glossy mixture. If too thick, warm briefly. If grainy, strain through a fine sieve. Pour the glossy chocolate mixture when it's between 30-32 degrees C into silicone or polycarbonate molds and tap to release air bubbles. For filled chocolates, spoon 1 teaspoon of jam, caramel, or 10 grams chopped nuts into each cavity. Then top with more mixture to seal. Let molds sit at 18 degrees C for 20-30 minutes until fully set, or place briefly in the fridge for 10 minutes for faster results. Unmold carefully, trim edges, and store finished bars at 16-18 degrees C away from humidity and strong odors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.